Before you wear malachite, touch it, or even keep it near your body, listen carefully. This stone does not comfort first. It reveals first. Malachite is not gentle healing. It is truth, carved into green fire, and if you are not ready to face yourself, this stone will make sure you are. Malachite is not a decorative crystal. It is a transformational force, ancient, intense, intelligent, used by priests, healers, and warriors, not for beauty, but for protection, truth, and power. This is a stone that works fast, deep, and without apology. If you are drawn to malachite, it is never random. It means your soul is ready to shed something old, even if your mind resists. This guide is not filtered. This is raw, lived knowledge. Listen like you are sitting with someone who has mastered this stone. What malachite really is. Malachite is a copper-based mineral. That copper is important. Copper conducts energy. It moves it. It amplifies it. That is why malachite does not store negative energy. It pulls it out, magnifies it, and forces it to surface. This is why people say malachite feels heavy or intense. It is not harming you. It is exposing what you have been avoiding. Malachite works like a mirror you cannot look away from. The energy signature of malachite. Malachite is ruled by transformation, protection, and emotional truth. Its vibration is sharp, fast, and deeply emotional. This stone does not work slowly over months. It works now. It enters your auric field and immediately scans for blockages. Unprocessed grief, suppressed anger, old heartbreak, generational trauma. Malachite brings all of it to the surface, not to hurt you, but to release you. Emotional healing, the uncomfortable truth. Malachite heals the heart chakra, but not in a soft way. It opens emotional wounds you thought were healed. You may cry without knowing why. You may feel irritated for no reason. Old memories may replay. This is not a bad sign. This is the stone doing its real work. Malachite removes emotional armor. It strips false strength. It forces honesty with yourself. If you run from emotions, malachite will chase them out of you. Malachite and feminine energy. Malachite is deeply connected to the divine feminine, not the soft, pleasing version, the wild, intuitive, powerful feminine. It awakens intuition. It strengthens boundaries. It teaches self-respect. Many women feel drawn to malachite during periods of change, breakups, identity shifts, spiritual awakenings. This stone does not make you submissive. It makes you sovereign. Protection and energy shielding. Malachite is one of the strongest protective stones known. It absorbs negative intentions, psychic attacks, and toxic emotional energy. But here is the truth most people hide. Malachite must be cleansed often. Because it absorbs so much, if neglected, it can feel overwhelming. This is not the stone failing, this is misuse. Used correctly, malachite forms a shield, not a sponge. Who should use malachite? Malachite is for those who are ready for growth, ready for honesty, ready for change. It is ideal for people healing emotional trauma, empaths and sensitive souls, those breaking karmic cycles, those stepping into leadership or power. It is not ideal for those who want comfort without effort. Malachite rewards courage. Who should be cautious? If you are emotionally unstable, constantly overwhelmed, or avoiding inner work, malachite may feel too intense. This does not mean it is bad for you. It means timing matters. Respect this stone. It is not passive. How to work with malachite properly. Do not sleep with malachite under your pillow at first. Start slow. Wear it for short periods. Meditate with intention. Remove it if emotions surge too strongly. Always cleanse it. Smoke cleansing, sound cleansing, or placing it near protective stones works best. Avoid water. Malachite is sensitive. Treat it like a teacher, not an accessory. The deeper spiritual role. Malachite does not just heal. It initiates. It marks the end of one version of you and the beginning of another. This stone is often present before major life shifts, career changes, relationship endings, spiritual awakenings. If malachite has entered your life, transformation has already begun. And whether you resist or surrender, the change will happen. Deep truths, warnings, and mastery of malachite. Malachite is not a trend stone. It is a life-altering companion. And here is the truth most people never tell you. This crystal does not choose everyone. People choose it, but only some are allowed to keep it. If malachite keeps breaking, cracking, or disappearing from your life, Pause, that is not coincidence. That is energetic overload or misalignment. Malachite leaves when its work is done or when the bearer is ignoring the lesson. Malachite and karmic release. Malachite is one of the strongest stones for karmic detox. It pulls out repeating patterns, unhealthy relationships. Self-sabotage. Fear-based decisions. This stone does not just heal emotions. It rewires behavior. You may suddenly say no where you always said yes. You may walk away without guilt. You may feel fearless, even when logic says you should be afraid. That is Malachite activating inner authority. Physical and energetic effects. On a physical level, Malachite has long been associated with detoxification and energy circulation. Energetically, it stimulates movement. Stagnant energy cannot survive around this stone. If something in your life feels stuck, Malachite will disturb it. Comfort zones collapse first, growth follows. This is not chaos, this is recalibration. Why Malachite must be respected. Malachite is not for casual wear. It demands awareness. Never wear it continuously without breaks. Never ignore emotional signals while using it. This crystal amplifies truth. If you lie to yourself, Malachite will make the lie uncomfortable. This is why some people feel intense shifts within days, because Malachite does not negotiate. How to know if Malachite is right for you. You do not choose crystals randomly. Your energy, birth chart, emotional state, and life phase matter. A stone that heals one person can overwhelm another. This is why wearing crystals without guidance can backfire. True crystal healing is personal, not generic. The biggest mistake people make. Wearing crystals because social media says so. Buying stones without understanding their vibration. Ignoring energetic compatibility. Crystals are tools, powerful ones. And powerful tools require knowledge. The truth about crystal consultation. If you want real results, you need to know which crystal suits your energy, which crystal supports your current phase, which crystal you should avoid, how long to wear it, and how to activate it properly. This is not guesswork, this is energetic science combined with intuition. If Malachite found you, it is because your soul is done hiding. This stone appears when transformation is inevitable, when truth must be faced, when strength is no longer optional. And if you want to know which crystal is truly meant for you, not copied, not trending, but aligned with your energy, you can consult directly. Details for crystal consultation, personalized guidance, and wearing recommendations are available in the description via Gmail or phone number. Choose consciously, because the right crystal does not just change your mood. It changes your life.